stars hanging from the ceiling. I shouldn't have my checkup, 'cause no one really knows when it all runs out. And I don't need a while on the weekend. I don't even know if I mean it. See me never, never, no, no, no. See me never, never, no, 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 no. See me never, never, no, 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 no. And you don't have to run up in my bed. No, you don't have to run up in my bed. Oh, I'll just stand in the sun, yeah. Warm my head in the sun, yeah. Run around till it all stands still. I'll just wait in the
Granite.
That's real nice.
It's kinda hard to believe in something that's missing that feeling. Find out how to be collected, put it in a box and send it. Yeah, I don't need a while on the weekend. I don't even know if I mean it. See me never, never, no, no, no. See me never, never, no, 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 no. See me never, never, no, 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 no. And you don't have to run up in my bed. Nah, you don't have to.
Currently hiking back down our hike. Don't know where Mom and Dad are. It's fine, but we'll get there. We are sitting here waiting for our parents. There's John. Come to find, they're not here. So now we are waiting at the parking lot where we started.
I'll just stand in the sun, yeah. Warm my head in the sun, yeah. Run around till it all stands still. I'll just wait in the sun, yeah. Run around till it all stands still. I'll just wait in the somewhere over the dunes of love, I walk, I went, and up, I turn the desert into seabed. I swam from the tip of depths.
So John, how was your hike?
It sucked pretty bad.
I don't know whose love to give. Somewhere in me, a memory that I cannot gather. Once you got holes in the face of the moon base, don't you know about the temperature change? A cold black shadow. Are you mad at your walls, or hoping that an unknown force can repair things for you? Pardon all the time that you've thrown to your pale gray garden. If the ship will never come, you gotta move along.
for you to comment on this hike that we have just completed.
Not too bad. A little uphill, some steps. It's hot though.
It is very hot.
Nice microphone.
Thank you.